This is a 102-acre solar farm out here at Westlock Solar. There's roughly 80,000 panels to be surveyed. Before drones, a technician would have to come out here and test different circuits with a meter, and then from there narrow it down to whichever panel is having the problem. And it was very laborious. It would take forever to do. So with a drone, we're able to just put it up in the air, look down with a thermal camera, and see any hot spots that come up. Those are the problem areas that need to be fixed. We take almost 40,000 photos, and those all get uploaded to a third party that does an analysis of it. So we don't even have to look at those photos anymore. We have a computer program that does that, and they produce a report which tells us exactly where those problems are. It's highly efficient. It saves our customers a lot of money as far as maintenance goes.